5934 row sage. It's really nice that we already have the rocks in place and we still have a beautiful tree. We have tile at the entry, then it changes over to another type of hard flooring. I'm going to count the windows because we're going to want to replace these vertical blinds with 2.5-inch faux wood horizontals. So we're at 3. I think this vertical should be replaced as well. I wasn't able to open it fully. The cabinets are showing some wear. It's totally normal. We'll see what Jenny says about this sink. She might want to install an undermount and a gooseneck faucet. So we're at 4 windows. This is a fairly private backyard. We have 1 stories on both sides and then the street behind us. So Jenny would like that this laundry room is set off to the side by itself. You don't pass through it from the garage. Replace burnt out light bulbs, of course. We want to make sure all keys match, so we might need a rekey. Carpet's showing a little bit of wear, but Jenny may be fine with it after a good cleaning. So upstairs we have 1 window so far that needs 2.5-inch blinds. I don't know what happened to the baseboard there. Same tile as downstairs, looks really nice. This tub doesn't require grout, which is great, less maintenance. Just replace that drain stop. This room is on the small side, but let's see what Jenny says. This is window 2, has some condensation in it. Generally, that's something we ask the seller to fix. So window 3, looking good. Carpet looks good. Window 4, carpet looks good. And the master. So the light's not turning on. So window 5, carpet looks fine. We have a little closet here. Tile in the bathroom. And another closet here. Cabinets show a little bit of wear, nothing unusual. 6, 7 windows upstairs. Okay, so that's that. Oh, and the walls are they've got a little bit of a peach pink tone to it.